Welcome to our guide on understanding the importance of Australian travel insurance for visa applications. Travel insurance is crucial for every traveler to Australia, ensuring safety and peace of mind. Many countries, including Australia, require travelers to have travel insurance as part of their visa application process. This requirement helps protect visitors from unexpected medical expenses, cancellations, and emergencies. Key components of travel insurance for visa purposes include medical coverage, trip cancellation policies, emergency assistance, and coverage for personal belongings. Understanding these can help you choose the right policy. When selecting a travel insurance policy, consider factors like your destination, the duration of your stay, and any pre-existing conditions. Find a balance between comprehensive coverage and cost. Common mistakes include underestimating coverage needs, not reading the fine print, or failing to compare policies. Take your time to ensure you are making the best choice. Every policy has its coverage limits and exclusions. It's critical to understand what is and isn't covered to avoid surprises during your travels. Submitting proof of insurance with your visa application typically involves obtaining an insurance certificate, ensuring it meets the visa requirements, and attaching it clearly to your application. Travel insurance can significantly improve your chances of visa approval. Immigration officials often view it as a sign of preparedness and responsibility. Let's take a look at some real-life scenarios to illustrate the critical role travel insurance plays. From medical emergencies to trip cancellations, having insurance can make all the difference. In conclusion, understanding the importance of Australian travel insurance for visa applications not only simplifies the process, but also provides peace of mind. Make sure you are adequately covered to enjoy your travels worry-free.